How to fix FiveM is crashing on Steam. So the first thing you'll need to do is go to the library and right click on GTA 5. And then you want to go to installed files and click on verify the integrity of game files to repair any corrupted game files. And once it's done, you want to close Steam and then close FiveM if it's already running. And then you want to right click on the start button and then open up the run command and then type %sign local updata %sign again and press OK. And this should open up this folder right here. Now you want to look for FiveM folder, open it up, and then open fivem.app folder, and then open data. And you want to remove the following folders, which is cache, and then NUI storage, server cache, and server cache priv. Do not remove the game folder. Right click on those and click on delete. Now you can close this, and the next step is to check if you have overlays enabled. So if you have an NVIDIA app or NVIDIA app installed, you can go to the settings and make sure to turn off NVIDIA overlay. You should do the same for Discord. You can go to user settings, scroll all the way down, click on game overlay and disable it. You should also disable the Steam overlay if you have it enabled. Go to Steam settings and then scroll down to the in-game tab and then disable the overlay from here. You should also disable the overlay of MSI Afterburner or Riva Static Tuner if you have them installed. And then all you need to do is restart your computer. And after the restart, make sure to run Steam as admin. Right click on Steam and run as admin, as well as FiveM. You should run it as admin. And that should fix the crashing issue. Thanks for watching and subscribe.